just going to make a quick video here, spin it up just to kind of show how far the drone will go when you're just kind of goofing off. I'm not even going to go that far. It's only down the street and back again. Just looking around. Just kind of stay above the road. I don't want to go over anybody's property. Just to show friends the resolution of it. It's not that, great of a video. I'm probably going to do another one at some point and go a lot farther. Actually, I'll put this into a mode that manual mode to allow me to kind of adjust the camera lens and stuff like that as I'm flying. The wind is kind of pushing the drone around a little bit, so it's like, just looking around and getting blown out by the sun, of course. So I'm going to spin around here, kind of turn around and come back. And as I come sweeping into my house, I'll, close the video off. Just make this a quick one. Thanks for watching, people.